If you were to name a single moving part on which the world's economy relies, what would you select? The wheel? The ball bearing? Actually, almost 100% of the economy relies on this: the crankshaft. It is the backbone of nearly every engine used for transport today. Consider cars, trucks, trains, airplanes, helicopters, and most importantly, cargo ships, the vehicle responsible for the bulk of international transport. And when the world relies on the crankshaft to work, day after day, year after year, under extreme dynamic and thermal loads, durability is crucial. With the portfolio of Simulia technology, you can enhance your design process with multi-body analysis and conceptual optimization tools. Solve problems easily with detailed design analysis and optimization, and leverage fatigue and durability analyses to not only predict, but, most importantly, extend your component's lifetime. Then accelerate your proven workflows with automation tools to scale and repeat your engineering and business successes. Simulation powers innovation.